Hey there, Raiders! Here's how to get scrap ammo in Sand. Scrap ammo is one of the most common resources you'll need during the early stages of the game. It's used in numerous tech tree upgrades, so you'll want to collect as much of it as possible whenever you're out on an expedition. Fortunately, scrap ammo is fairly easy to find. You can obtain it from most points of interest across the map, including wrecked ships, abandoned camps, and other lootable locations. However, you'll generally find larger quantities in major landmarks, such as towns and other named areas. The main containers you should be looking for are weapon crates, which are marked with two crossed guns painted on their lids. These crates typically contain firearms, ammunition, and other combat-related supplies, with scrap ammo being one of the most common resources found inside. Even the rarer versions of weapon crates often contain scrap ammo, making them one of the most reliable sources for farming this material. As you travel between points of interest, make a habit of checking every weapon crate you come across. The more scrap ammo you bring home, the faster you'll be able to unlock new technologies and progress through the tech tree. Just remember to stay alert while looting. Other players and hostile enemies may be searching the same locations, and getting caught off guard can cost you both your loot and your trampler, and that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.